Welcome WBP stars to Kapama Karula Lodge. My name is Makhi, the executive chef. Today I'll be preparing a crème brûlée for you, and which is one of the reasons I'm doing a crème brûlée. I know it's one of those simple dishes what everybody likes to have. It's one of those things not easy to go wrong with, but for me is one thing I always like about it is to look on how you present it differently. Move away from the traditional style of putting in a ramekin. So that's what we'll be doing for today. And then I've got my crème brûlée, which is a tonga bean flavored crème brûlée, which we can be serving with some seasonal berries and cherries. I've got a tonga bean fluid gel. I've got some kataffi pastry, it adds a bit of crunchiness, and some granola. So we'll start with our plating here. Here's my plate. I've got the plate here that I'll be using. And then I've got my knife here where I'll just cut my crème brûlée. Basically, the nice thing about a crème brûlée, when you cook it, and then it's easy to set. Like you can put it on a tray with a bit of silicone paper. You put it in the fridge to cool down. It's set. It's a custard that sets. You can take it out. So we've cut it. Here it is. It does hold its shape nicely. So here's our crème brûlée. And then we're going to put a bit of some custard sugar on this baby. Just a little bit of custard sugar. So now we've got the custard sugar on. So we're going to get our blowtorch on to brûler matches. Blowtorch on. Just get some nice caramelization going on there. So yeah, that will give you some nice caramel flavor. As you see that, like that's your normal crème brûlée where you always get that on. And then we've got some tonga bean fluid gel, which we're just going to put on the plate. A little bit of that on. And then we'll just spread it on. We'll go with that baby. Then we'll go with our crème brûlée again. As you see, like now it's a little bit nice and softer. From blowtorching it, it makes that custard soft. So it's easy to serve. And then we get our berries that we're going with. So we've got some blueberries here that we just put on the plate. A few blueberries. We've got that. We've got some raspberries and cherries we're going with. Here's some raspberries. It has a nice color as well, which is nice and red. And then I also have some cherries. And then just wipe this, and then we'll be cutting one of the cherries we've got just to give it. So we cut that cherry, just open that in half. Put the cherries on. And then we're going to be finishing with some kataffi pastry and some granola. So basically, your kataffi pastry is a nice thin pastry, like all we've done with this. We just took it, put it in a tray with a spray and cook so it doesn't stick, and then in the oven to get a nice golden brown color. Take it out, a bit of icing sugar, just to give it a bit of sweetness. And it's quite simple, doesn't take long. Here we go. We've got this beautiful thing that gives a nice texture and crunchiness, and a beautiful look on the dish. And then we also have some homemade granola. It's got some nuts and on it, gives a nice nutty flavor on the dish. So this has a nice nutty flavor. So we sprinkle a bit of this on that plate. And then to finish off, we get some flowers just to add a bit of freshness on the dish. We've got some sweet William flowers to garnish with, just a few of them on. And then we've got our finished dish. Like, also nice to welcome you in our restaurant to come and try this. And it's also a simple dish to make at home.